Hello class, so what I am going to use for my first artifact is Kahoot. And I have used this several times as a college student and now I would like to use it as a teacher. So I'm just on kahoot.com and I'm going to hit sign up. It's going to ask you which one you would like to do. I'm going to do teacher. You can sign up with email. And I'm just going to put in the school that I currently work at. Oops. Workplace details. It's a school. Quickly enter in this information. And then I will show you. Press I have read and join. So you can choose your plan. There are 3 different plans here. Obviously, you want to save as much money as possible as a teacher, so I'm going to do the free one. And this still gives you a ton of ways to, I'll do this part later, but you can personalize it to make it whatever color you want and all of that stuff. So Kahoots are super easy to make. All you have to do is hit create. You can, and I'm going to just do a quiz. And for my title, we are doing biographies in my 4th grade class that I work in currently. So I'm going to do George Washington. And then this is just going to be interesting facts about George Washington. And this way, after each child is done with their paper, they are able to make a Kahoot of their own to kind of quiz our whole class on. So if you want, you can upload an image. I'll do that later just for the sake of time. And then you just add questions. So you start out, I won't do all of the questions, but what president was George Washington? And then you can put all different answers, so the 2nd, 1st, 4th, 3rd. And then you click whichever one is the correct answer, and you just go on like that and hit next. So, and you can add as many questions as you want, and it's very simple to do. And then if you are playing as I'm just going to hit save. If you're playing as a class, you just hit play it, and then your whole entire class will enter in a code. So enter in the game pin. So this is the game pin, and everybody in your class will just go on. They can go on to their phones and do it if it's an older class, or you can go on to Chromebooks and everybody can enter in this number and then it'll automatically bring them to the site. So I'm going to close out of that, and that is the end of my presentation.